Hey YouTube, it's your girl Janet Denise and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this simple, easy look that you see right here. If you'd like to see how I got this look, continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what you'd like to see next.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to take that NYX HD eyeshadow base and put that all over our eye. Dip into that shade Alert in the Jaclyn Hill When They're Alone palette and blend that all over our crease. At first I was blending it, but then I started to pack it on because I felt that the payoff for the color was better. Then I go back and I blend it and blend it and blend it until it's seamless. Take Secret next, which is like a plummy brown in the palette, and we're going to use that for a second transition color to deepen up our eye. Then we're going to go back into that first shade and use that to soften up those edges so that we get a seamless blend. Then I'm going to go in and grab Siren, and I'm going to place that literally right on top where I placed Secret, and we're just going to mesh those two together, and this is going to give me a little more warmth to the eye. I put down the orange and then I put down the chocolate brown. I kind of did the steps out of order. I originally wanted to put on the burgundy shade first, but I just grabbed the shades out of order. Dipping into Balm A and Lolly in the palette, I'm going to first dip into Balm A and I'm going to wet my brush with some face setting spray, and then I'm going to apply the eyeshadow Balm A. I'm going to grab a blending brush and blend out those edges of Balm A. Taking my fingers, I'm going to dip into Lolly and I'm going to place that right on top of Balm A, and I'm just going to give it a nice chrome dimensional look. You still can see Balm A peeking through, but placing that on top just makes it look really metallic and dimensional. Then I'm going to go back into Secret and I'm going to place that on the outer V of my eye. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with a small blending brush. And what you see me doing here, I dipped my blending brush into both of those shades. Then I'm going to take a wet wipe and clean up underneath and clean up the edge of my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take the eyeshadow base and put it underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to go back into Secret, Siren, and Alert and place those on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to do a very thin wing liner. Now that we've accomplished our wing liner, we're now going to line our waterline with the same gel eyeliner. So pick any face primer that you like. I'm using the Makeup Designery, I think the primer is called Zero. Then I'm going to take Maybelline's Dream Velvet Matte Foundation in Classic Coconut, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. And I'm using a brush that kind of reminds me of the Marc Jacobs Face 2 brush. Grabbing a Black Opal True Color foundation stick, I'm going to use that color and use it as my contour color. Then I'm going to grab a small stippling brush and I'm going to blend out that contour. After blending out my contour, I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush. Then going into my Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC in NW40, I'm going to use my fingers to apply this concealer. I want to say, like, you can use a brush, however you don't get like that nice airbrush look with your brush. I just feel like with using your fingers, it just makes the product in your skin better. Then you're going to see me go back and grab my foundation brush and just blend all of that together. That way we have no line of D-line. Then you're going to see me grab my Studio Fix foundation powder in NW43, which is basically hidden pan, and I'm going to lightly set my face because I'm going to use this powder and another powder as well. Now you see me grabbing Cover FX, and I'm in the shade N100, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with my MAC powder. Grabbing my Fit Me in 360, I'm going to use that to set my contour and chisel out my cheekbones. Taking my powder brush, I'm going to go over everything I just did to make sure that everything is seamless. Then I'm going to grab some of my favorite lashes and we're going to apply those. I'm not sure what they're called. I don't have the original package that it came in, but any lashes that you like will do. Now we're going to jump into highlighting our face. I'm using a highlighter that I got from the beauty supply store. And I'm just using a simple flat foundation brush, which kind of has like a point to it. And then you'll see me blend out that highlight because I just got a little overboard with it. Now taking that same highlight shade that I used for my cheekbones, I'm going to place that at the high point of my eyebrows as my brow bone highlight. Then I'm going to take my setting spray and set my face. And to speed up the process of my face drying, I'm going to fan it. Taking a Laufin blush in, I believe, Sunrise, I'm going to use that as my blush. It's just a nice orange blush, which looks great on people of color. Then we're going to outline our lip with a brown lip liner. Then taking a pinky nude CoverGirl liquid lip, I'm going to place that all over my lips. Then I'm going to take a MAC nude lipstick and place that right on top of the CoverGirl. Then I'm going to take some lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss of your choice. Mine is Rihanna 2. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.